Are you ready?
Off they go. Reminder, next up, Special Peace Unit of Montenegro, then GRT Sao Paulo of Brazil. Before we have the Punjab Police from Pakistan. And those of you who keep asking me, South Africa is drawn 35th. They will be out soon. Just be patient. A reload for the sniper on his handgun challenge. He sprints back, collects the first of those 80-kilo deadweight dummies. Candace Torrington is asking me, what number are they at? Who, Candace? Who are you talking about? The neighbors? I can't read your mind, Candace. The remaining assaulters heading back towards that finish line. They're not going to break the 2-minute mark, but they're not going to be much over it. The final assaulter crosses the line in 2:07 for the Special Operation Forces Scorpion.